Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add GCash as a payment method on Facebook. You need a verified GCash account with a balance. You will also need an updated Facebook app, a stable internet connection, and access to your Facebook account's payment settings. It will also require a GCash app ready for verification. Keep enough funds in your GCash wallet before using it. Track all transactions to avoid unauthorized charges. Refunds may take longer than with credit or debit cards. Secure both your Facebook and GCash accounts with strong passwords. To add cash, open the Facebook app and go to Settings and select Payments. Now, tap Add Payment Method and select GCash. Then, log in with your GCash account and confirm authorization. After linking, GCash will show up as a payment option. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.